Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this video we are going to solve exercise 14b question number 11. Okay student, this question is not a different question than the others, okay, because they have similarly provided us a value with a square, okay, and the same value with power 1. Okay, we used to see this type of question in the same exercise. Okay, how, if you remember, we have solved these type of questions. Okay, so we can simply observe that in this question we have first term, okay, with the variable having higher power, the second term with the same variable. You see, the variables are same, but this time this variable is with comparatively low power, okay, and the last term is the constant. If we compare this situation, this situation with this, we will find very similar. Okay, we will find these two questions very similar. How? If I am going to write x in place of the bracket, see what will happen. A square minus 3a will be converted in x. Okay, so the question will become x square minus 38 x minus 80. What I have did, I just write x in place of the bracket. In place of this bracket I have write x, the square will remain on its place. Similarly, minus 38, then again we have the same bracket, I can write x in the place of the bracket, then minus 80. Again I have to break the middle term. How I'm going to break the middle term? I will take the help of the last term. If you are good in tables, then very good, but if you are not, you can go for the LCM method. So 40 multiplied by 2 is 80, okay, and 40 and 2 can also give me 38, but now I have to manage the sign. Okay, so as you can see, the 38 is minus and 80 is also minus. For that purpose I have to take 40 negative and 2 positive, okay, because this will give me minus plus minus 38 and the sign of the bigger digit. Similarly, when 40 becomes minus, okay, then minus plus minus, in multiplication signs are also multiplied, so it means I can write minus 40 plus 2 in place of minus 38. Okay, so see how it is going to work. X square minus 40 x plus 2x. I have write x with both of these digits 40 and 2, because 40 and 2 are just taking the place of minus 38. Okay, so the variable of 38 will be written with the both of the factors. Okay, now we have to follow the previous procedures, like we have to take the commons. X minus 40, and the common from the last two terms is 2. X minus 40 will also appear here, so the common thing is x minus 40, so I will take x minus 40 as common. So x minus 40 is common, and what is remaining elements, that are x plus 2. But it is not done yet, because if we remember that we have taken x, okay, in place of this bracket, so we have to put it back. Okay, so I'm going to write a square minus 3a bracket in place of x. Okay, see this very carefully. I'm just going to write in place of x a square minus 3a, so minus 40 will remain at its place. Okay, and in the next bracket, that is x plus 2, okay, the next bracket, that is x plus 2, I will write bracket a square minus 3a bracket close, and plus 2 will remain at its place and the braces will be closed. Okay, now as we can see that we have again the same process, like we have to split the middle terms, like how a square minus 3a minus 40. I can see in this bracket I have first power, that is higher power, second term with the same variable, okay, second term with the same variable, but this time the power is comparatively low as compared to the first, so I have to break the middle term in this bracket. Again, in the second bracket I also have to break the middle term in this bracket as well. Okay, because the same condition is present in the both of the brackets. So for 40, you know that 8 5s are 40, okay, and 8 and 5 will give you 3. So I need minus 3. For that purpose I need to take 8 as negative and 5 as positive. This will give me minus 3. 8 negative and 5 positive, this will give me minus 40. So a square minus 8a plus 5a minus 40. Okay, now it's done for the second bracket. As you can see, the last term is 2. Okay, that is a prime number, so prime number only appears on its in its own table. So 2 ones are 2. I need positive 2, and 2 and 1, when I will dissolve these two I will get 3, but I need negative 3. So I will adjust the sign, minus minus plus 3, and the sign of the bigger one, minus minus plus 2. I hope the confusion is clear to all of you. A square minus 3, minus 2a minus 2a minus 1a or a plus 2. Okay, plus 2. And now taking common from the first bracket, the common is a minus 8 bracket close. Now we have 5 as the common table, a plus minus minus 8. Now it's done for the second bracket, a again common, a minus 2, here's a square. Okay, minus 1 is common because nothing is common, and minus plus minus 2. So I've got the final answer, that is a minus 8 is common. Okay, in these two terms I can see that a minus 8 is common, and what is remaining, a plus 5. And now it's done for the next braces. I can see that a minus 2 is common and a minus 1 is remaining. Now if you want to arrange the bracket as given in the answer in the book, you can arrange it and then it will be the answer.